Hello friends, welcome. In the previous video we learned about the sentence and its kinds. Today we are going to learn about the subject and the predicate. So let's start with it. Friends, when we make a sentence, we do two things. We name some person or thing. We say something about that person or thing. In short, we can say that in a sentence, we have a subject about which we say something. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. Sita helps her mother in the kitchen. We were playing in the park. All the passengers are feeling sleepy. Rahul is an excellent basketball player. Friends, as you can see, over here we have divided a sentence into two parts. The words in the left column are the names of person, things or pronoun. So, we can call these words as the subjects, whereas the words in the right hand column tell us something about the subject. So, these type of words are known as predicates. Therefore, we can say that a sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. Let us understand what is a subject. A subject is someone or something that is being talked about in a sentence. यानी कि एक सेंटेंस में हम जिस भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या जिस भी पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, वो पर्सन वो थिंग हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है. सेकेंड, अ सब्जेक्ट इज़ ऑलवेज अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. दैट मीन्स या तो वो किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ का नाम होगा या किसी पर्सन का नाम होगा, जैसे कि राम, सीता, राहुल, या कोई प्रोनाउन होगा जैसे कि ही, शी, इट एक्सेट्रा. पॉइंट नंबर 3, अ सब्जेक्ट मे बी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. For example, it can talk about a particular person or it can talk about a particular group. So we can say that it is not necessary कि जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो केवल एक सिंगुलर होगा, एक ही पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात करेगा, वो एक या एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में भी बात कर सकता है. पॉइंट नंबर 4, it may consist of just one word or a group of words. Let us understand this with the help of example. Sita helps her mother in the kitchen. Over here the subject is Sita, which is just one word, whereas in the other example all the passengers are feeling sleepy. Over here the subject is all the passengers, which consists of a group of words. Therefore we can say that a subject may consist of just one word or a group of words. Now let us understand what is a predicate. A predicate is what we say about a subject in a sentence. Point number 2, it has a verb. Point number 3, a predicate may consist of one word or a group of words. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Sita helps her mother in the kitchen. Over here the subject is Sita, and what we are telling about Sita, that she helps her mother in the kitchen. So over here helps her mother in the kitchen will be the predicate. And friends, point number 2 was that the predicate always has a verb. Over here you can see that the main verb help has been used over here. So we can say that the predicate always consists of a verb, and a predicate may be of just one word or it can be of group of words. Now let us see two places, 2 points where people normally commit mistakes. Point number 1, the subject of a sentence usually comes before predicate, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. That means ज़्यादातर हमें ये पता होता है कि सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रेडिकेट से पहले ही आएगा, बट ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हम अपने सब्जेक्ट को अपने प्रेडिकेट के बाद यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हेयर कम्स द बस. यहाँ पे जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो क्या है, द बस. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट प्रेडिकेट के बाद यूज़ हुआ है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. स्वीट आर द यूजेस ऑफ एडवर्सिटी. यहाँ पे जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो क्या है, एडवर्सिटी, और वो भी हमारे प्रेडिकेट के बाद यूज़ हुआ है. Point number 2. In imperative sentences, the subject is often left out. Friends, imperative sentences are those sentences which are used to express command, request, or advice. Friends, in these kind of sentences, the subject is often missing. For example, sit down. फ्रेंड्स, ये सेंटेंस अपने आप में कंप्लीट है, यहाँ पे हमें सब्जेक्ट यूज़ करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट एक सिंपल सी बात है कि यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है यू वो हिडन है, दैट इज़ वो अंडरस्टूड है कि यहाँ पर जो सब्जेक्ट होगा वो क्या होगा, यू. सिमिलरली थैंक हिम, यहाँ पे भी जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो यू अंडरस्टूड है. So friends, please do remember these 2 points while identifying the subject in a sentence. Friends, now for your practice, few questions have been given over here, the answers to which have been given in the next slide. I hope आपको subject and predicate clear हुआ होगा. That's all for today. Bye bye.